Officially, XRP case against the SEC suspended. XRP to $99,000. In 2021, John Deaton went to court on behalf of 25,000 XRP investors to be allowed to participate in the process. Judge Annalisa Torres did not allow this movement, but assigned the XRP community the status of amici curiae, friends of the court, during the process. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Amicus curiae, the term means a person who assists the court by offering information relevant to the case to the attention of the court, despite the fact that the said person is not a party to the case and is not involved in the case by its direct participants. Deaton, on behalf of more than 67,300 investors, has now filed a letter with the court asking to take into account the opinion of the owners of XRP. In the letter, Deaton asks for the judge's permission to file his response to the recent testimony of SEC expert witness Patrick B. Doty, who made statements and allegations about what information XRP token holders believed to be true when making their purchases. Deaton and other investors criticized Doty's testimony, arguing that he probably didn't talk to any XRP investors before coming to his conclusions and submitting his allegations to the court. The SEC claims to defend the interests of investors, as a result of their excessive regulation negatively affected all token holders. #XRP community #SECGovV. #Ripple #XRP Amici request permission to file brief regarding SEC expert who claims to no motivation of XRP holders when purchasing XRP. Amici also seek access to experts' report and deposition testimony. I encourage everyone to read the 4-page letter motion. It is packed with information, including how #XRP holders took the time to try and make sure that the actual #truth sees the inside of the courtroom. The court may, at its discretion, decide this issue, i.e., reject or resolve it. But observers of the case are optimistic about this. Lawyer Jeremy Hogan believes that the judge can grant this request, since this is exactly the problem in which she previously allowed him. This would ensure a full and comprehensive presentation of the said issue, helping the court to reach a fair conclusion. John Deaton is going to court. The SEC wants an expert witness to testify about what the XRP holders were thinking when they bought XRP. Deaton represents 67,000 valid XRP holders and wants to present what they actually thought. So of course the SEC opposes it. John Deaton is marching into court. The SEC wants an expert witness to give testimony about what XRP holders were thinking when they bought XRP. Deaton represents 67K actual XRP holders and wants to present what they were actually thinking. So of course, the SEC opposes it. However, there are some downsides to the fact that if the court allows this letter to be filed, the SEC may oppose this initiative, and as a result it may cause another delay in the case. The crypto law expert highlights an important development in the ongoing litigation of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, with the payment firm Ripple Labs over the alleged issuance of XRP as an unregistered security. Lawyer and XRP supporter John Deaton has filed a letter asking to represent 67,000 XRP holders. This move is a direct response to the SEC's desire to attract an expert to testify about what XRP holders thought when they bought the 6th largest crypto asset. According to crypto law expert Jeremy Hogan, the involvement of Deaton could be a key moment in the case. The SEC wants an expert witness to testify about what the XRP holders were thinking when they bought XRP. Deaton represents 67,000 actual XRP holders and wants to represent what they really think. So, of course, the SEC opposes this. Deaton wants to file a brief Daubert petition related to an expert hired by the SEC to discuss the motives of XRP buyers. This means that Ripple is trying to hit the witness at all, because his opinion does not have a reasonable scientific basis. A Daubert motion is a special type of motion whose purpose is to exclude the presentation of expert testimony to a jury. Hogan, who has been following the case closely for several months, says it will be difficult for the Securities and Exchange Commission to prove its case if their expert witness is refused. This is a big offer, because if the SEC relies on an expert to say that reasonable XRP buyers bought XRP, relying on Ripple to increase its price, and the expert is amazed, how will the SEC prove its case? Especially if Ripple has hundreds of XRP holders saying otherwise. During a speech before a congressional subcommittee, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler once again warned that all cryptocurrency exchanges must be registered to comply with the rules. He stated that the refusal to register their business could expose them to the risk of future enforcement actions by the Commission. This response of the head of the SEC was made to a question from Congress about why there is no clear set of guidelines when it comes to regulating cryptocurrencies. To provide some context, several members of Congress have previously sent a letter to the SEC requesting answers to the SEC's recent regulatory actions in the crypto industry. Testifying before Congress on Wednesday, he warned that more actions against crypto firms could be on the way. Read more. Historically, the SEC has not clarified which crypto assets it classifies as securities and which, according to it, can be considered commodities, and therefore outside its jurisdiction. At the same meeting of Congress, Gensler vaguely called Bitcoin a commodity. Bitcoin, maybe it's a commodity token. Due to the blurred boundaries associated with cryptocurrencies and crypto assets, many crypto firms fined or subpoenaed by the SEC expressed disappointment that they were doing everything possible to follow poorly formulated laws, but later faced legal consequences. Now there is a new regulatory process that affects both the competence of the SEC and the CFTC, Commodity Futures Trading Commission, with certain roles when it comes to regulating cryptocurrencies. The topic of SEC funding was also raised. Gensler pushed for an increase in the budget that would probably be needed to support the SEC's announcement that they would double the number of employees in their crypto enforcement division. It is claimed that this additional staff will allow the agency to better protect investors from risks, but faced a sharp negative reaction from the crypto community, as many saw this as an excuse for excessive regulation. Ripple, XRP, dropped to $0. 43 and now bears are taking over the market after a huge drop last week. While the price seems to have improved over the last couple of days, the bulls have pushed the bears somewhat towards their current market movement. The past week did not look right for Ripple traders and investors, as XRP collapsed by 42% and closed at $0. 4,255. There was a drift all week after the bearish move, which dropped to $0. 4018 before it regained momentum to $0. 4123 for the week. This indicates an oversold token, which indicates an uptrend potential. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1294436.065 US dollars. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.8% in the last 24 hours. Now it is time to reveal who is the lucky winner of our giveaway. We randomly selected one fan who fulfilled all the conditions. And the winner is James Wolf. Congratulations, James Wolf. So XRP Army, let's all congratulate James Wolf in the comments section below, and tomorrow we will relaunch our weekly giveaway free 500 XRP. Now let's get back to the video. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.